What is the main thing that businesses need that is stopping them from being successful? However, the reason why I'm asking this question is because most people are not being taught proper business, or at least not being taught business for the year 2023. Customer retention is the area where most people are falling up short in business. You need to gain like no trust factor. These are the areas where it's the very small things that matter. Like if you're a restaurant, are you opening the door for them? Are you smiling and greeting them when they come in? Is their first sight going to be you on your cell phone? Because if you're not making someone feel warm and welcome inside the establishment, they're going to start looking for things to complain and gripe about. People's time is important because that attention span has shortened so much now. And what I mean by that is they need to be warm and polite when someone first come in. Like too many times here, and not just here, I'm just saying here because I'm in South Africa right now. People are not coming to the store to waste their time.